Hello student, today I am going to solve some question of exercise 1B. Before this, I have taught about you comparison of two systems of numeration. In this we have taught you in both the system the first three digits of a number from the right are grouped in a period called the ones period. In Indian system, the digits in the left after ones period are grouped in periods of 2 digits each, whereas the digits in international system are grouped into 3 digits in each period. Now, after this, according to previous chapter, some questions of exercise 1B I am going to solve. Question number 1 says complete the table. Here this is the numerals and this is the standard form in both systems. This is the Indian system and this is the international system. Question is in numeral 10000002, and here in Indian system we see that we grouped from rights 3 groups and 2 groups and 1. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That means 1 crore. And in the international system, ones, tens, 100. This is the ones. This is the thousand and this is the millions. 10 millions and 2. Similarly, in question number B, there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9. And in Indian system, according to this, we grouped in 3 from rights, 3 nines, 1 group, and 2 and 2 nines. If we want to read, then we can read this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. That means 99 crore, 99,000, 99 lakh, 99,999. And international system, this is the ones, this is the thousand, and this is the million. 999 million, 999,000, 999. Now there are questions in C and D. You should solve yourself. Now we go to question number 2. Question number 2 says write the numerals for each of the following. First question says 30,200,029. We know that million means international system. This is the international systems. Here 30 million, and this is the 200,000, and this is the 29. Similarly, in question number B says 603,515,012. This is the solution. 603,515,012. And we go in question number 3. Question number 3 says fill in the blanks. Question says fill in the blanks. Question number A says 3 millions is equal to what lakh? Here we see that millions, 3 millions, we can write this as 1,000 and this is the million, 3 millions and 1 lakh. 1 lakh is to be written below this number. 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50, 50 cancel. And this is the 30. That means 30 lakh. We see that 3 millions is equal to 30 lakh. Similarly, you can solve question number B. Question says 610 millions. Six says millions is equal to what crore? We can solve this as 610 millions. That means 60. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 million, 60 and 1 crore. 1 crore means ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That means number of 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 crore. 6, 10 lakh by 1 crore. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 6 crore. Similarly, you can solve question C and D. Question number 4 says write the period to which the colored digit belong in each of the following numbers according to the International System of Numeration. Question number 4, that means question is in here A. Question is 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 5, 2, 6. 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 5, 2, 6. First of all, we grouped the digits in 3. This is the 3 in international system. This is 3. Here 5 is colored digit, so its period is, this is the ones and this is the thousands. This is 1,000 periods. Period is 1,000. This is the 1,000. This is the 10,000. This is the 10,000. Similarly, you can solve all other questions of question number 4 and next topic I will teach you on tomorrow, comparing and ordering large number, which is also taught in previous chapter. Thank you.